Hello, I'm Brian Knight from Melbourne, Australia, and I thought I might get on here and give you a little bit of live trading experience. So let's see. Let me just share my screen over here so you can look at. So maybe if you can see over here, I'll be looking over here on another screen. I've got a big screen set up. These are my trades at the moment that I've put on. You can notice that they're all JPY pairs, and I'm in positive most of those. I'm just waiting for them as they drop down. I'll just go through them. That's the AUD JPY. That hopefully what that'll do is come down towards this middle line. You see there's a few up here and a few lines down there. It's been sitting up in these lines, and it's sort of normally most of the time you can see it sort of bounces back to the middle and up and then bounces back, or it could go down to the bottom ones and then bounce to the middle and up. Anyway, that's one. So what am I, 9 pips up on that one already? Euro JPY, that one, well, that one's going really well. I'm up Euro, I'm up 18, nearly 20 pips on that. I had 20 pips to start with, but I've moved it, so I could maybe get a bit more profit on that one. We'll see. Oh, just so that people know, I'm trading foreign currencies, one country's money against another country's money. And you'll see, the AUD JPY is the Aussie dollar and the Japanese yen. Basically, it's how they trade against each other. And at the moment, the Aussie dollar's going down and the Japanese yen is becoming stronger. This is euro. So the European, the euro or euro is going down. And then let's go Japanese. So this is the Great British Pound, and it's coming down as well. Oh, I might need to, let's see, I might just move that stop loss down just a little bit further. Try and secure a little bit more profit on it. See how we go. Can adjust it around anyway. That one, that's not too bad. That's coming close as well. That's the NZD JPY. That was the first one that moved for me. I reckon that's been moving really well. I might move it down a little bit further too. Just see. And then I've got USD JPY. They go up and down a bit, but you just get used to that sort of stuff. And why I got into these is because this is another thing. So this is AUD JPY as well, but I could see that it was going to go down, and this sort of thing shows me what's going to go. So that's the thing too in Forex. You actually can make money when the price goes up and when it goes down, because it's in relation to one currency or another. So this is saying sell. So we're in a sell for this, but I'm waiting for a little dot. But if I go back over here, you can see I've got the dots over that. So that's telling me it's going to come down. And it's just doing a little retracement, just like it did there, and then it'll start dropping down again. So yeah, that's a little bit of live trading at the moment. So yesterday, I think I got about 108 pips. Oh no, not yesterday, the day before. It was about 108 pips. And then a couple of days, I think the day before Christmas, the day after Christmas. And the day after that, I think I got about 95 pips in the day. Pretty easy. I've been here about, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. Just watch this, and it's just looking after itself. And I've got what's called a trailing stop. So if it pulls back too much, I'll still be in profit. It just looks after itself on this. So look, it'd be nice if you watch this and you see it on the live, just comment where you're from, or even in replay. Just put replay and where it is, or where you're from, or where you're living at the moment. And then, and if you want to put some questions down there, I can get back to you and answer a few questions. I might show you what happens later, but they're going really nicely at the moment. What's that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50 pips there nearly at the moment. And it was more before. So just doing this little suck back, and then, you know, the dots are saying that it'll probably go down further. And also too, you know, there's a bit of sentiment in the market at the moment. There's those people that had the buy there. What have I, yeah, say if I went, what's that one? USD JPY. I'll just go here to this chart. And if you look at it, I can measure. So like what it did was it went there. Oh, it went there and up to there. Oh, that didn't show me how much. Hang on. Maybe because I got, maybe I'm screen share. Oh no, there we go. That's 73 pips up there in one. And then let's see what happens here if I can get. And then at the moment we're down about, you know, 15, 17 pips. So that's about what we've got in here, some of those. See, it's come back a little bit. Got another candle. And then just watch it go back down again. Anyway, I hope that, I'll just stop sharing there. I hope that interests you, and I'll probably do a bit more live trading just to show you what's happening in there. I can do longer term ones. These are all on 15-minute charts. So every 15 minutes you get a candle and then it's moving. Sometimes I work on 4 hours or even a daily one. So each candle is a 4 hour or a daily. So that's more longer term type trading. So yeah, look, if this interests you and you want to know more, just get back to me. All right, no worries. It's a pleasure being able to show you this. So I'll check you later. And look, if you want to share this with anybody else, you can do that. Or if you want to get back to me, that's great. All right then, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.